Welcome to the month of October here at Lichtsinn RV, where we literally are only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Motorized Coach Division of Winnebago Industries, based right here in Forest City, Iowa. We have a lot of great events occurring during the month of October, but be sure to join us on Wednesday, October 24th at 2 o'clock Central for our live interactive multimedia presentation, where we're going to walk you through the benefits of a little unknown secret that can keep you safe on the road. This is Multi-Seal, which is a DuPont Kevlar run-flat technology from Multi-Seal, which will self-heal wounds up to 3/4 of an inch. Of course, we're going to take all of your questions live. We'll cover the benefits of Multi-Seal. We're also going to cover the benefits of nitrogen in your tires, as well as metal valve stems to provide tire pressure monitoring for your RV. So be sure to join us on Wednesday, October 24th at 2 o'clock Central.
Hi, I'm Nicole from Lichtsinn RV. Just wanted to let you know that we are one of the very few dealers in the country that have available 59 GLs and 59 KLs. Yes, we're talking about the Travato Lithium series. Make sure to give one of us a call at 800-343-6255 or just visit our website. We're happy to help you with your RV purchase process.
Hi, I'm Nicole Fullman, one of the sales consultants here at Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa. Just wanted to update you guys. We do have Revel availability. We're probably one of the limited dealers in the United States that actually has them available. So we do have them in stock. We have the silver with the granite interior, as well as one with a kiwi. So we do have limited availability, but they are available for immediate purchase. Make sure you reach out to us. Our toll-free number is 1-800-343-6255, or make sure you visit our website, Lichtsinn.com, or we do have availability on chat. We look forward to hearing from you.
Hi, I'm Heidi Thompson. This past month, our team from Lichtsinn RV attended the 2018 Open House, an industry event held in Elkhart, Indiana, where we were able to preview the all-new inbound products Winnebago is about to offer. Winnebago introduced an all-new Fuse floor plan with the 23F, which features a wide-open, spacious floor plan with rear bed and front dinette designed around the nimble and fuel-efficient Ford Power Stroke diesel engine. Also, the new budget-friendly Winnebago Vita, a compact Class C diesel built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, offers quality and innovation guests have come to expect from Winnebago at an affordable price. Equipped with best-in-class storage, tank sizes, and carrying capacity, other features include a new quiet, durable Supershell composite sleeper deck, a new pre-wired track and roof panel for Wi-Fi and cellular boost antenna systems, and industry-leading off-the-grid capabilities. The interiors are highlighted by a best-in-class galley with large counter space, double sink, ample storage, and a big panoramic window. The Vita is available in 2 floor plans, the 24P and 24F. Exciting news, everybody. The Adventurer is back. The all-new Adventurer is the definition of Winnebago Class A gas luxury. Built with Winnebago's legendary superstructure, the Adventurer offers styling and floor plans to meet a variety of tastes and needs. It is packed with interior features normally found in diesel pushers, like Corian countertops, a Versa driver cab seat, and Primera furniture coverings. Key exterior features include an entertainment center, pet leash tie-down, an LP system provided in the patio area of the coach, and full-body paint with chrome mirrors. And that's what we saw in Elkhart at Open House. That's a wrap for October here at Lichtsinn RV.